This shows my two gears laid out on top of the credit card sized backing board. One with 7 teeth, one with 10 teeth. The pitch circle for gear 1 is shown here. The pitch circle for gear 2 is here. The diameters of both gears added together are exactly equal to the length of the board. I've got construction lines on here going through the centres of each gear, and there's a construction line through the centre of the board. And now you can start rotating the gears and get them to mesh and plot the points of the intersections. Try and find the line where they intersect. So we'll begin by rotating this gear so it meshes correctly. Transform, rotate, center of rotation can be intersection, have that one on, and the angle, turn the intersection off again here for this, zoom in just to get them meshing correctly. By eye is good enough for this. So the first meshing point is actually on the line through the centres, this line here, and where it meets with the two pitch circles. So that's the first meshing point. So you mark that point with a circle. Click on intersect. Actually, we don't have to, we're just going to do this by eye. Put a circle there. That's one point. And now you rotate these gears. So we need to label these. So which is the driven and which is the driving gear. Let's have the left-hand one can be the driving gear. So put a dimension, put a label on. So I've just put two text blocks on. This is driving gear and that's the driven gear. Now let's rotate the driving gear by in 1 degree increments. So transform, rotate, select object to rotate from the intersection there, and here it says angle of first reference point, so let's just type in 1, enter. And it's rotated it by 1 degree. And now we move the second gear, transform, rotate that object from there, turn off that one, zoom in, and now it's meshing at a different point, and we draw another circle at the point where it's meshing. That's the contact point. So now we've got 2 points done, and you need to do that for the entire rotation. Now when you look for interference, the interference is not at this point, it'll be on the neighbouring corners. So you can see that with my gear here, 7 teeth and 10 teeth, there's quite significant interference, there's an overlap. So the metal would actually dig in on that gear, which is why you don't see combinations of gears with 7 teeth and 10 teeth, because they jam. But as this is an academic exercise, we are actually measuring the interference. Just to give you some idea, let's measure that to there, and it's about 0.09 millimeters.